Hey there crew, Matt here with the Rhinestone World. In this TRW in a minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a multi-decoration shirt. So the materials you're going to need is the Magic Flock template material. You got your rhinestones, your heat transfer vinyl, and some type of vinyl cutter. Now the software I'm using here is the TRW Design Wizard to create my mock-ups and to do my color separations ready for the cutter. Now we're using the Silhouette Cameo in this one, and I'm going to go ahead and cut my Magic Flock template material first, and that's what we're going to use to brush in the stones. Now we're going to go ahead and cut our glitter heat transfer vinyl, get both of those colors cut and weeded. So now all we need to do is brush in our rhinestones into the template. So once we have our rhinestones brushed in, we're going to create our rhinestone transfer, bring it over to the heat press, do our 3 presses, and we got ourselves a finished shirt. Check out the full tutorial on our YouTube channel, The Rhinestone World. Thanks for watching.